In the ghetto life a tough, enough youth are struggling. Them a hustle feed the bread, no silver spoon just rumbling. Enough picnic dream big, but the system a hold them down. No college degree, but them still a wear the crown. Welcome to Ghetto University, hear the call. No lecture halls, but we stand tall. Books in the streets, lessons of life. We a study hard through the pain and strife. Them a teach we about survival, over mash up the grind. While some a sit in a classroom, we a master the mind. Jah give we the wisdom, no degree on the wall. But every day we rise, hear the ghetto youth call. Welcome to Ghetto University, hear the call. No lecture halls, but we stand tall. Books in the streets, lessons of life. We a study hard through the pain and strife. A ghetto youth, we learn from the block. Every struggle and every little knock. Me see my friend them fall, but them get up again. In this ghetto life we can't complain. See the elders, them teach we all for all our vibe. With wisdom of the streets we keep the fire alive. No fancy degrees, but the knowledge run deep. In the Ghetto University we fight and we reap. Welcome to Ghetto University, hear the call. No lecture halls, but we stand tall. Books in the streets, lessons of life. We are study hard through the pain and strife. Education not just in the books, it's a way of living. From the corners of the streets, we learn how fee be given. Resilience and strength that a we degree. No for them can't see, but we know who we be. We rise like the sun, through the darkness we shine. With each step we take, we are redefined. Them say we can't make it, but we prove them wrong. In a Ghetto University we a sing we song. Welcome to Ghetto University, hear the call. No lecture halls, but we stand tall. Books in the streets, lessons of life. We are study hard through the pain and strife. So when the world a try push us down to the ground, we are rise up strong with our voice we profound. In the Ghetto University we pave our way. No degree in a hand, but we know we are slay. Welcome to Ghetto University, hear the call. No lecture halls, but we stand tall. Books in the streets, lessons of life. We are study hard through the pain and strife. Yeah, we are study hard in a Ghetto University. No matter the struggle, we embrace our diversity. With love in the heart and hope in the soul. In a Ghetto University, we are reach for the goal. Jah guide we through as we stand and unite. In the Ghetto University, everything gonna be alright. We arise, we are shine. No degree, just the spirit, every youth divine. In a Ghetto University we live and learn. With every step we take, watch the fire burn.